An embryo transfer is one of, honestly, the coolest procedures that we do. And it's also one of the most fun because you get to see your embryo before it goes into your body. Very, very cool. Also, importantly, it doesn't hurt and you don't need any anesthesia for it at all. Basically, you go into the operating room, you get set up, we take a look at your embryo under the microscope, confirm it's yours, very important. Here we have an RFID system, so the embryo is electronically linked to a special card that you get, so that nobody can get your embryo and you can't get anybody else's. You confirm that it's your embryo also by looking on a TV screen that we have. That's a live look at your embryo under the microscope. Has, of course, your name, your birthday, your partner's name, their birthday, and so on there, so you can identify it. Then we place a speculum, do a cleaning with the same liquid that the embryo is bathed in. So it is normal to feel liquid coming down almost immediately. It's not the embryo. After we place the embryo, you can't drop it even if you tried, so don't worry about it. Then we place a transfer guide through the cervix into the embryo to get into the exact right spot to drop off the embryo. It does take a moment or two sometimes, that's okay, to get into the right spot. Then the embryologist will load up your embryo into the catheter, which you can watch on the TV, bring it into the room, place it through the transfer guide, and then we drop off the embryo. And then you can go to the bathroom, most important. Typically, we do the pregnancy test about 9 days after that. So again, it doesn't hurt, you don't need any anesthesia. It's very similar to a saline ultrasound, that's the water ultrasound, but without the water. So typically very well tolerated and a fun experience.